Welcome to our overview of HSecurLinC's USB latching cables and connectors. These products offer secure and reliable connections featuring USB Type-C, USB 4, and mini USB options designed to meet various connectivity needs. As devices continually demand higher data transfer rates and efficient power delivery capabilities, USB-C connectors play a crucial role over new projects from engineering teams. Here are some of the key applications: device power charging, device data transfer, infotainment systems, multimedia systems, USB chargers and media hubs, and consumer electronics. Here are some of HSecurLinC's features and benefits: latch for secure and reliable mating connections during vibration and motion, USB Type-C and mini USB connectors and cables, data transmission speeds ranging from 480 megabits per second up to 40 gigabits per second, backwards compatibility to USB 2.0 and USB 3.1 standards, USB 4 connector and cables, keyed system with color-coded options to prevent mismating and compliant to automotive requirements. Also, our USB products have a shrouded and secure overmolded shell to prevent connector damage, right-angle option for USB 4 and USB 3.1 Type-C cable assemblies, flammability class UL94V0, latching designed to meet USCAR 2 requirements, vibration level V1, cable retention force 100 G downward vertical 40 N for 1 minute, voltage ratings 5 volts to 20 volts, current ratings 1 amp to 5 amps. HSecurLinC possesses ability to manufacture custom cables to meet every customer's needs. In addition, HSecurLinC's USB-C latching cables and connectors have color-coded options to prevent mismating. For more information, please contact us or visit our website. Stay connected with HSecurLinC for new product introductions. Thank you.